So at Columbus Ophthalmology, I do a little bit of general ophthalmology, but my main specialty is what they call oculoplastic orbital and aesthetic surgery. Not too many people know about it, but it's a subspecialty within ophthalmology, and so I basically summarize it as I do surgery everywhere around the eye, but not the eyeball itself. So this entails eyelid surgery, orbital fractures, skin cancers, tearing, droopy eyelids, droopy brows, and so forth.
My appearance with my droopy eyelid made me very self-conscious. I like to look at people in the eye when I talk to them. We all know that people say the first thing they notice about somebody is their eyes, you know, when they meet them, greet them. So I would always avert my gaze from somebody if I was talking to them, or look down. Maybe someone else didn't notice as much, but I was very self-conscious.
When Nikki came in, she had a droopy right eyelid. She had had previous eye muscle surgery from another surgeon in which her eyes were crossed. Very rarely, but it does happen, patients develop a droopy eyelid after this. She's a very young, athletic person, very energetic, and the fact that she always had a cross-eyed, I think, always bothered her. Once that was fixed, now she all of a sudden had a droopy eyelid, and it was bothering her and her appearance.
When I came in for my procedure, I personally was not nervous at all, because everything had been explained to me prior by Dr. Cho, what to expect, the nurses, from the minute I signed in, from back in the waiting room, the recovery, everybody was so nice. I said I was not nervous at all. They talked to me, didn't leave me alone, you know, asked me if I was okay, do I need anything. So the whole process from beginning to end was very comforting. My appearance after the surgery is like night and day. I am happy taking pictures again, being in pictures. I am just almost upset with myself that I waited so long to do this. It's a very good feeling when you go home about a month and a half after the surgery and your own mother can't tell that you had any surgery done. She looked me right in the eyes and could not tell which eye had been worked on. That's pretty confident feeling, and you know that good work was done.
So when she came back and her eyelid was in the perfect position, I could just see her smiling. Everything could change from worrying about her eyelid, worrying about her appearance. The confidence just kind of exuded from her. The happiness, just always just smiling, and I would just, for me as a surgeon, as a physician, to help somebody like that just means the world to me.
Dr. Cho was highly recommended by a surgically certified dermatologist. In the morning I'd had basal cell skin cancer removed, and it was quite extensive and required a specialist that certified for the eye area and reconstruction. In fact, my surgeon told me that Dr. Cho was the only surgeon that he wanted to do the reconstruction, so he was highly recommended.
So when Mr. Curry came in, I could tell he was very concerned, his family was very concerned, because he had just spent numerous hours at the Mohs dermatologist taking off different layers of the skin cancer that he had. He didn't actually see the defect, but his wife and his daughter were there, and they were overwhelmingly concerned.
Yes, I was concerned because of the extent of the removal of tissue. I had quite a hole in the cheek area. The lower eyelid was gone. Dr. Cho took me as an emergency patient. I mean, he didn't have to do that, but he worked me in. Everything has turned out to be terrific. I would highly recommend. If I needed surgery or someone else would ask me for a recommendation, I would not hesitate to recommend Dr. Cho. I have been very pleased with the results. And with the interaction with the staff, with Dr. Cho, it couldn't be better. You know, many times you're just another patient, but I've never felt that at this location. I felt that they are very caring people, and they are concerned with their patients, and couldn't be happier with it.
When I actually see the final product and I can compare the pictures before and after, I'm always just so amazed that we're able to fix them and do such a great job.
When I look in the mirror, I really can't tell that I had a major surgery. It's just that, the outcome is just delightful.
It's the best feeling in the world just to see them come back that happy.